Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock websites on school Chromebook. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, search for Replit in your Google Chrome. To search for it, simply click on the first link and then sign into your account. Once you are signed into your account, simply you can start with a blank project or you can start in your existing app if you have made anyone. Just open it up. We just open it up, and once you open this, what you have to do is simply go to the plus button. Now once you are here you have to search for shell. Just go ahead and do that. This gives you direct command line access. Let's try running Firefox just like you would on a local machine. Type in Firefox and hit enter. Wait for it to run, then select the Firefox option. Replit uses Nix to fetch and configure Firefox right within your container. It automatically adds the dependency to your replit.nix file. This might take a few moments while it processes, but once it's done, you'll see a success message. Firefox is installed. Now, again, click on this plus icon and in the search bar search for VNC. Once it appears, click on it and it will start loading. And there it is, a fully functional Firefox window running inside Replit. This is awesome. But does it actually browse? Let's try loading YouTube. Click the address bar, tap the YouTube suggestion, and look at that. YouTube loads perfectly fine right there in your cloud environment. And there you go. A full desktop browser running inside your cloud workspace, a smart, safe way to access blocked sites, and that's it. This is how you can unblock websites on school Chromebook. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.